For G1 Zulu Zulu Victor signing on. Attention on the net, attention on the net. All station please stand by for our net call. I say again, all station please stand by for our net call. Okay, before we start, let us first invoke the blessing of God. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Ar-Rahmanirrahim. Malik Yawmiddin. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'in. Ihdinal siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladina an'amta 'alaihim. Ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Great architect of the universe. In your name we have gathered here on air, and in your name we desire to proceed on this DX1 ARP's morning net call. Grant us your divine guidance that this net call will be conducted in due order and propriety. This we ask in your holy name, most gracious, most merciful. Amen. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning all stations. Good morning fellow hams. Good morning amateur world. Good morning Facebook. Bismillah. It's Wednesday once again. Time for our scheduled net call. Today is the 12th day of June 2019. And today is our Independence Day. Happy holidays to all. Welcome to the morning net call of the Amateur Public Radio Assistance Team Incorporated, or APRAT. Station call sign Delta X-Ray 1 Alpha Romeo Tango. With radio station license number Romeo 08007-18. Granted by the National Telecommunications Commission, valid until August 22, 2019. APRAT is also a duly registered amateur radio club with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Under registration number Charlie November Tahu 01 80 Tahu 396. Furthermore, APRAT is an affiliated amateur radio club of the Philippine Amateur Radio Association, or PARA, as per certificate number 0-5-1-8. This is your net control station for G1 Zulu Zulu Victor with NTC license number 1 Tahu 0 Tahu 4 9er, valid until year 2022. My handle is Yahya Yankee Alpha Hotel Yankee Alpha, transmitting 65 watts from Binangonan, Rizal. I'm currently working on Yaesu 3200 with an F23 antenna approximately 60 feet above ground. Before we start any announcement or important topic, please proceed. For G1 Zulu Zulu Victor listening. Good morning. Any topic? Go ahead. Mukhang wala naman. Okay, I say again, any traffic or important announcement coming from PARA, district officers, or club officers, or any club, please make your announcement now. Alright, copy na po. DB3 Yankee Zulu India. Sige po, Kuya Romeo, ingat-ingat. Copy na yan. Acknowledging your station. DB3 Yankee Zulu India. Early check-in. Any announcement? Please proceed. Okay, nothing heard. Let us now begin. Calling all station that would like to join our morning net call. Make your call now. This is 4G1 Zulu Zulu Victor listening.
4G1 Alpha, coordinate. DB1 Yankee November Juliet.
Okay, all station, sandali lamang po. Ang nakuha ko lang ay number 2 station is 4 Golf 1 Alpha X-Ray Alpha. Number 3 DB1 Yankee November Juliet. Yung number 4 4 Golf 1 may Uniform Hotel sa Supix. Pakibalik lamang po. Aha, any relay for Golf 1 Uniform Hotel lamang yung nakukuha ko. Yung may Papa Victor Z, pakibalik. Okay, sige, mamaya na lamang po yun. Tuloy muna natin ating net call. Hindi ko makuha eh. Number 2 station, 4 Golf 1 Alpha X-Ray Alpha. Kuya Edgar, magandang umaga po and welcome to DX1 ARP's morning net call.
Likewise, Tito Yakya, magandang umaga po sa lahat. Magandang umaga. My station 4 Golf 1 Alpha X-Ray Alpha. Just checking in sa military dito. Salamat at happy holiday. DB1 PBZ daw po. Go ahead.
Ayun, kopya na, Tito Jing. Your number 5 station, standby, DB1 Papa Victor Z. And acknowledging the station of 4 Golf 1 Alpha X-Ray Alpha, si Kuya Edgar. Thank you, Kuya Edgar, for checking in and for the relay. Your call is now logged and cleared. 73, Assalamualaikum.
But early check na po for India 1 Alpha Oscar Bravo on the net.
Okay, copy na yan for India 1 Alpha Oscar Bravo, Busmate, early check-in. Thank you, your station number 6 on my list. Safe travel, Busmate. Okay, number 3 station, DB1 Yankee November Juliet. Kuya Larry, go ahead. This is for G1 Zulu Zulu Victor.
Good morning, Yankee. Good morning, on station. DB1 Yankee November Juliet. Larry from North Caloocan checking in. 7:50, mabuhay.
Okay, acknowledging the station of DB1 Yankee November Juliet, Kuya Edgar of North Caloocan, from the group AMSAT. Thank you, Kuya Larry pala. Thank you, Kuya Larry, for joining the net. 73 and Assalamualaikum. Okay, yung number 4 station, balikan ko ulit, 4 Golf 1 with Uniform Hotel sa Supix. Please come back.
W1 Victoria Romeo.
Okay, standby DW1 Victor X-Ray Romeo, your number 7. Mukhang, okay, last call, 4 Golf 1 with Uniform Hotel. Please come back. Okay, DU1 Sierra Charlie Juliet. Kopya na po yan, Kuya Boy. Your number 8, standby. Okay, number 5 station. Nagpasa natin si 4 Golf 1 Uniform Hotel. Hindi ko mukhang nawala na siya. Number 5 station, DB1 Papa Victor Z from Lucena City. Go ahead, Kuya Jing. Roger, kopya na po. DU1 Sierra Charlie Juliet. Your number 8 station. Standby, Kuya Boy. Yung si DB1 Papa Victor Z, any relay at medyo malayo si Kuya Jing. Pakibato nga po sa kanya yung aking call.
Tapos na, brother Yaya.
Ayun, tapos na pala. Thank you, Kuya Chris, for the relay. And acknowledging your station, DB1 Papa Victor Z. Kuya Jing of Lucena City. Thank you, Kuya Jing, for joining our morning net call. 73. And Assalamualaikum. Okay, number 7 station, Delta Whiskey 1, Victor X-Ray Romeo. Kuya Ray, magandang umaga po and welcome to DX1 ARTistNet.
May kora, Big Sir. Kasi salamat at magandang buhay. Salamat sa relay. Ayun, Party 1, Solo Yankee, good morning ka na, Yaka. Good morning sa lahat ang mga nakamonitor. Dito pa yung BXR checking in 73, mabuhay. Nawala tuloy ako. Salamat sa relay. Good morning, Yaka.
Ayun, magandang umaga rin po Kuya Ray dyan sa Cavite City. Thank you DW1BXR for joining our morning net call. 73, Assalamualaikum. Okay, number 8 station from General Trias, Cavite. Delta Uniform 1, Sierra Charlie Juliet. Kuya Boy, magandang umaga po. Go ahead.
Morning, Goyak. Morning, Tol. Dion, SCJ checking in. No traffic. Sir, God bless. Mabuhay ka. Mabuhay. Ready.
Ayun, acknowledging your station, Kuya Boy, of General Trias, Cavite. Thank you for joining our morning net call. Delta Uniform 1, Sierra Charlie Juliet, 4G1, Zulu Zulu Victor, cleared, 73. Any more?
Nancy Sierra X-ray for the net.
Okay, copy na po. Delta Uniform 1, Nancy Sierra X-ray. Nagkakabulol-bulol na ako. Go ahead po.
Hey, good morning, Yaya. The call is DW1 Nancy Sierra X-ray supporting the morning net of the X1 ART. No traffic. Thank you, 73.
Alright, thank you po Kuya Robert for joining our morning net call. That was DW1 November Sierra X-ray from Dasmariñas, Cavite. Thank you. Your call is now loud and clear. 73. Any more station who wish to join the net, make your call now. Okay, for India 1, Alpha Tango Sierra. Kuya Chris, magandang umaga. Go ahead.
Good morning, Brother Yaya. Good morning, all station. For you, Alpha Tango Sierra, checking in 73.
Okay, acknowledging the station of our club secretary, si Kuya Chris of Muntinlupa City. Thank you, Kuya Chris, for joining our morning net calls. 73, Assalamualaikum and happy holidays. Any more?
Hello, Alpha Yankee Papa Papa.
Okay, for Hotel 1, Alpha Yankee Papa. Copy, loud and clear. Go ahead, Kuya Elmer. This is for G1 Zulu Zulu Victor for DX1 ARTistNet.
Good morning, Tito Yaki. Good morning po sa lahat. For Hotel 1, Alpha Yankee Papa. Elmer po ng Marikina. Just supporting the morning net, 73, mabuhay. Morning, Tito Elmer. Good morning.
Okay, acknowledging your station, Kuya Elmer of Marikina City, our club treasurer. Thank you for Hotel 1, Alpha Yankee Papa for joining the net, 73. Any more?
For Golf 1, Zulu Zulu Bravo.
For Golf 1, Zulu Zulu Bravo. Ang ganda ng signal mo ngayon, Kuya Miller. Go ahead.
Yan, magandang umaga po sa'yo, Tito Yaya, Tito Elmer, Tito Ricky, X1 ART, morning. Magandang umaga po. Pakita na po for Golf 1, Zulu Zulu Bravo, Miller. Together with for Golf 1, Alpha Papa Delta, Nemia ng Kaita, Rizal. Just supporting our morning net, to other traffic, 73, mabuhay.
Ayun, punong-puno ka ngayon, Kuya Miller. Thank you for joining our morning net call. Acknowledging your station for Golf 1, Zulu Zulu Bravo, Kuya Miller of Kainta, and also the station of his XYL, si for Golf 1, Alpha Papa Delta, Atinemia. Thank you. 2 stations are now loud and clear. 73, Assalamualaikum. Any more? Okay, for Golf 1, Bravo 5 Alpha, standby. Meron pang isang nakasabayan ni 5 Alpha. Please come back. Ayun, for Golf 1, Bravo India Yankee, standby. Your number 15 and next. Unahin ko muna yung number 14. For Golf 1, Bravo Lima Alpha. Kuya Richard, magandang umaga. Welcome to DX1 ARTistNet. Again, calling the station of for Golf 1, Bravo Lima Alpha. Kuya Richard, go ahead.
Okay, for Golf 1, Bravo Kilo Alpha nandiyan.
Ano ba yung Bravo Lima Alpha or Bravo Kilo Alpha?
Narinig ko kuya, Bravo Kilo Alpha.
Sige, anyway, kung sino yun. For Golf 1, Bravo Kilo Alpha, go ahead, please.
Good morning dito.
Ayan, oh. Thank you, Kuya Ricky, for the correction. Bravo Kilo Alpha nga pala. Okay, acknowledging the station of for Golf 1, Bravo Kilo Alpha, si Kuya Porgen of Libertad, Pasay City. Thank you, Kuya Porgen, for joining our morning net call, 73. Next station, number 15. For Golf 1, Bravo India Yankee. Kuya Mark, good morning and welcome to DX1 ARTist Morning Net Call.
Bravo India Yankee joining our morning net 72.
Okay, acknowledging your station, Kuya Mark of Mandaluyong City, also from the group DX1 ART. Thank you. For Golf 1, Bravo India Yankee. This is for G1 Zulu Victor. For DX1 ARTistNet 73. Anymore.
Kaya nandiyan si Jun Marasigan for Golf 1, Alpha Victory India.
Thank you, Kuya Ricky. Okay, calling the station of for Golf 1 Alpha Victory India. Kuya Jun, go ahead. Welcome to DX1 ARTistNet.
Jun, ikaw na Jun. Pero makopya.
Nakasagot na?
Nag-comment sa bawal, papunta na yata ng Luneta daw siya.
Okay, sige. Papunta na siya ng Luneta. Acknowledging the station of for Golf 1 Alpha Victory India. I think he's on portable. Ingat-ingat, Kuya Jun. Papunta na siya daw ng Luneta. Oy, nga pala, meron tayong activity sa Luneta ngayon, ano? Good luck sa mga kasama nating amateurista ngayon sa Luneta sa pagdiriwang ng Independence Day. Okay, any more station that would like you to join the net, make your call now.
Dito kayo Zulu Papa Lima.
Okay, copy, loud and clear, DW1 Zulu Papa Lima. Kuya Willie, magandang umaga. Welcome to DX1 ARTistNet.
Yun, magandang umaga, Yaya. Dito kayo Zulu Papa Lima. Tingin sa mga mabuhay. Salamat. Assalamualaikum.
Ayun, walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. That was Kuya Willie of Diliman, Quezon City. From the group Delta X-Ray 1 Echo Romeo. Station call sign Delta Whiskey 1 Zulu Papa Lima. Thank you, Kuya Willie. Your call is now loud and clear. 73. Sige, Delta Yankee 1, Victor Hotel Zulu, kopyang-kopya. Pakibalik. Ang ganda na signal mo ngayon, Kuya Roger. Coming here 5 by 5. Thank you, Kuya Roger, for joining our morning net call. That was Delta Yankee 1, Victor Hotel Zulu, si Kuya Roger of Antipolo City. Thank you for joining the net. 73. Any more? Okay, copy, loud and clear. DB1 Alpha Zulu Sierra. Maya Payabak, Kuya Boy. Welcome to DX1 ARTistNet. Ayun, that was Kuya Boy, a native of Santa Rita, Pampanga. Thank you, Kuya Boy, for joining our morning net call. DB1 Alpha Zulu Sierra, 4G1 Zulu Zulu Victor, 73, and Mayap Ayabak once again. Any more? Oh, the radio, Papa so and so, please come back. Yung may radio, Papa, pakibalik.
Hotel 1, Bravo, India, Papa, Ambet.
Yun, copy. For Hotel 1, Bravo, India, Papa. Kuya Ambet, go ahead. This is 4G1 Zulu Zulu Victor. On the control. Kuya Ricky, ano nga? Baka hindi niya ako naririnig.
Roger, sinikaran siya na rin. Pwede ka na, Ben. Akpan. Pwede ka na. Tingnan na kopya.
Dalawa na kasi yan. Isang sugar 7, sugar 9.
Sige, acknowledge na lang natin si Kuya Ambet. Acknowledging the station of 4 Hotel 1, Bravo, India, Papa, si Kuya Ambet of Pasig City. Pasensya na, Kuya Ambet, at hindi ka namin makopya. Tatlo na kaming kumukopya sa'yo. Any more station who wish to join the net, make your call now.
Nasa DU3 ata kasi Yaya. Nasa DU3 siya.
Sino to? DW1 NSX?
QSL.
Roger, oo. Sige, palagay ko naririnig naman niya tayo. Okay, thank you, Kuya Robert. Any more station who wish to join the net, make your call now. Mukhang may nasabayan ako. Pakibalik.
Yan na yata. For Italy 1, Alpha November Golf.
Okay, thank you, Kuya Robert, for the relay. For India 1, ano ba yun? Alpha November Golf. O yun, go ahead po, Kuya Hill. Okay, DW1 Delta Mike Alpha, standby for a while, Tita Janet. Yung 4 India 1 Alpha November Golf, paki-pull out nga po yun.
For Italy 1, Alpha November Golf. Pwede mo, India. Royal, for Italy 1, Alpha November Golf. Stroke to you. Okay na, Yaya. Tapos na.
Ayun, thank you, Kuya Robert, for the QSP and acknowledging the station of 4 India 1 Alpha November Golf, stroke DU3, ayun, si Kuya Hill of Marilao, Bulacan. Thank you for joining the net, 73. Okay, next station, our club advisor, Delta Whiskey 1, Delta Mike Alpha. Good morning, Tita Janelle. Welcome to DX1 Nayatis Net.
Ayun, good morning, Gary. Good morning, sa lahat ng stasyon na nakakarinig sa akin. You're supporting the net. Thursday, God bless. Happy Independence Day.
Ayun, happy Independence Day po sa inyo, Tita Janelle. That was our club advisor, si Delta Whiskey 1, Delta Mike Alpha. Your station is now loud and clear, 73. Anymore.
For Golf 1, Mike H-Ray, Papa.
Okay, copy, loud and clear. For Golf 1, Mike X-Ray Papa. Kuya Ber, magandang umaga. Welcome to DX1 Nayatis Net.
Good morning, neighbor. For Golf 1, Mike H-Ray, Papa. Sa pangalang Victor Otaleco Romeo, nagpapatala po mula po dito sa Binawan ng Rizal. Mabuhay, 73.
Ayun, mabuhay and 73. Kuya Ber, pwede ka bang mag-grab papuntang, grab, ano ba itong yung business? Papuntang Angeles?
Angeles, Pampanga.
I'm sorry, Subic pala, Subic. Kaya mo?
Kaya, magmumotor.
Roger. Sige, pag-usapan natin, Kuya Ber. Hindi pa naman ngayon. Pag-usapan natin sa off the air.
Copy. Text mo lang ako or PM mo ako, Roger.
Roger on that. Okay, pag-usapan natin yan off the air. Thank you, Kuya Burr. Acknowledging your station for Golf 1, Mike X-Ray Papa. My neighbor in Binangonan Rizal, si Kuya Burr. Also from the group DX1ART. Thank you, Kuya Burr, for joining the net. 73. Any more?
Hotel 1, Charlie, Oscar, Yankee.
Okay, copy 2 stations for Golf 1 Alpha Zulu Whiskey, your number 24, and number 25 for Hotel 1 Charlie Oscar Yankee. Standby, Kuya Rimmer. Okay, si yung unang number 24 for Golf 1 Alpha Zulu Whiskey. Kuya Gary, go ahead. Ayun, salamat din sa iyo, Kuya Gary, and welcome to our morning net call. Umaaga-aga ka sana eh, bala kong laruin tong ating kaibigan eh. Anyway, okay na tayo dito sa Simplex. Thank you, Kuya Gary, for joining the net. 73. Assalamualaikum. Okay, next station, number 25 for Hotel 1, Charlie Oscar Yankee. Naimpag na Aldaw, Kuya Rimmer. Go ahead.
Pakitala ang istasyon ni For Hotel.
Paputol-putol na mukhang tapos na ba?
Okay na, Yaya.
Ayun, thank you po for the relay and for acknowledging the station of for Hotel 1 Charlie Oscar Yankee. Coming here, paputol-putol, Kuya Rimmer. And also acknowledging the station of your XYL, si for Hotel 1 Charlie Oscar Zulu, si Ate Maribig. 2 stations are now logged and cleared. 73. Assalamualaikum. Any more? Yung may rubber duck, please come back. Paki-relay nga po yung may rubber duck, hindi ko siya makuha.
For the one, Mike Victor Papa, portable rubber duck.
Ayun, no, si Kuya Justin pala. For India 1, Mike Victor Papa, rubber duck. Go ahead, Kuya Justin.
Dito, Yaya.
Oo, medyo paputol-putol na Kuya Justin. No? Yung ating kaibigan masyadong active ngayon. Dalawa-dalawa yata siya, 3. Okay, acknowledging the station of Kuya Justin from Bonifacio Global City. Station call sign for India 1, Mike Victor Papa. Thank you, Kuya Justin, for joining our morning net course. 73. Any more?
For Golf 1, Tango Lima Hotel.
Okay, copy, loud and clear. For Golf 1, Tango Lima Hotel. Kuya Michael, magandang umaga dyan sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. Go ahead.
Magandang umaga din po. This is for Golf 1, Tango Lima Hotel. Michael from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Just take in and support in the CSC morning. No more traffic, 559 here in Santa Rosa. Good morning.
Ayun, no, punong-puno rin po kayo rito sa Binangonan Rizal. Coming here, 5x9 also. Acknowledging the station of 4 Golf 1, Tango Lima Hotel, Kuya Michael of Santa Rosa, Laguna. From the group Delta X-Ray 1, Papa Romeo Sierra. Thank you, Kuya Michael, for joining the nets. 73. Any more?
Romeo Sierra.
Okay, thank you, Kuya Gary, for the relay. DU1 Romeo Sierra. Kuya Ruel, go ahead. This is for G1 Zulu Zulu Victor.
Suporta lang. Iiwan ang Israel.
Ayun, kopya naman na Kuya Ruel, medyo nasasabayan lang ng ating QRM. Acknowledging your station Delta Uniform 1 Romeo Sierra, si Kuya Roel of Espanya, Manila. Thank you for joining our morning net call. 73 and Assalamualaikum. Any more? CQ net. Any station who wish to join our morning net call, make your call now. This is 4G1 Zulu Zulu Victor on the control for DX1 ART's morning net call. Okay, copy that. For Golf 1, Delta Mike Whiskey QSL. Any station on monitor, hindi ko po makuha yung kanyang information. For Golf 1, Delta Mike Whiskey po ba siya? QSL? Roger, I think nasa Ortigas siya. Pwede makuha yung kanyang handle?
Yung mobile station niya sa Ortigas, ano daw po yung handle? Over. Dito, with the handle of Eric from the group DX1 Lima. Okay, copy na. Thank you. Ay, Yaya, si Eric daw yan from DX1 Lima. Over.
Thank you, Kuya Robert. Kopya na. For Golf 1, Delta Mike Whiskey. I think this is our first QSO. Si Kuya Eric daw po siya ng DX1 Lima. On mobile along Ortigas. Thank you and safe tracking, Kuya Eric. 73. Any more? CQ. Any station who wish to join our morning net call, make your call now. This is 4G1 Zulu Zulu Victor on the control for DX1 ART's morning net call. Okay, 4I1 AGF. Kuya Jam, magandang umaga. Go ahead. This is 4G1 Zulu Zulu Victor. Kuya.
Jabi ko na.
Magandang morning sa lahat.
Tapos na Yaya.
Ayan, thank you po. Nasasabayan, no? Okay, acknowledging your station 4 India 1 Alpha Golf Pax, si Kuya Jam of Montalban, Rizal. Also from the group DX1 ART. Thank you, Kuya Jam, for joining our morning net call. Pasensya na at mukhang hindi ako makakasama dun sa lakad mo. Kailan ba yan? Sa Friday? Yung station na may lima, please come back.
DW1, X-ray India Quebec.
Okay, copy na po yan. DW1 X-ray India Quebec. Standby yung may station na lima. Balikan ko po kayo maya-maya. Delta Whiskey 1 X-ray India Quebec. Kuya Sherwin, go ahead po.
Hello po, magandang umaga, no? Traffic 73, mabuhay. Maraming salamat. Magandang umaga po sa lahat.
Okay, magandang umaga din po sa inyo dyan sa Makati City. Kuya Sherwin, from the group Delta X-ray 1 Echo Victor Mike. Station call sign Delta Whiskey 1 X-ray India Kilo. Thank you for joining the net. 73. Any more station? Yung kaninang sundan ni Kuya Sherwin? Any more station who wish to join the net, make your call now. This is 4G1 Zulu Zulu Victor. copy, Kuya Ricky. DW1, Zulu, Yankee, Yankee. Go ahead.
Yun, thank you guys. Magandang umaga, kuya. Magandang umaga po sila. DW1 yan, kaya ginagpapadala po. Salamat.
Salamat din, Kuya Ricky, for joining our morning net call. Query, tuloy yung lakad niyo sa Friday? Nawala na si Kuya Ricky. Anyway, thank you, Kuya Ricky, for joining the net and for the QSP. Thank you. Any more station? Any more station who wish to join the net, make your call now. 4G1 Zulu Zulu Victor listening.
4G1 Mike Whiskey.
4G1 Mike Whiskey Queen. Mukhang hindi ka mobile ngayon, Kuya Nix. Go ahead po.
Good morning, kuya. 4G1 Mike Whiskey. Papunta pa lang ng Luneta. Good morning, this morning, RT. Papatala lang to.
Okay, acknowledging the station of 4 Golf 1 Mike Whiskey Queen, si Kuya Nix of Molino, Cavite City. Ayun, papunta pa lamang siya ng Luneta. Diyan sa mga kasama nating amateurista sa Luneta City sa pagdiriwang ng Independence Day ngayon, good luck po sa inyo dyan at mabuhay kayo. Any more station who wish to join the net, make your call now. Okay, 4 Hotel 1 Bravo India Papa check back station. Go ahead, Kuya Ambet.
Tawag ka na, Bet.
Ambet, ikaw na. Mukhang malakas si Ambet, hindi tayo kopya.
Oh, nakopya ko rin siya kanina. Biglang nawala eh.
Wala rin sa akin eh. Bet, ikaw na, Bet. Bravo India pa pa. Tawag ka na.
Ano na yan eh? Check back na yan eh. Ano baka may traffic siya? Ano kaya?
Wala rin.
Anyway, baka biglang sumulpot. I think may traffic yan kasi second call niya na yan eh. Okay, any more station who wish to join the net, make your call now. This is 4G1 Zulu Zulu Victor. May pumapasok, masyado manipis, any relay?
LDR daw, Lima Delta Romeo.
Ano yung kanyang prefix?
Ay, LDR, ano yung prefix mo? One more time, the whole call sign, over.
Foreign po niya.
Yeah, ito yata, taga na busy yata to. Roger.
Anyway, hindi ko rin siya makuha. Paki-pull out na nga lang po, Kuya Robert.
Okay, one more time, yung LDR. Go direct na, over. Ano ba yung call sign mo? DW3, LDR? Roger, from Talavera na Ebicia, over.
From Talavera, Nueva Ecija, ang call sign niya is DW1, Delta Whiskey 3, Lima Delta Romeo, QSL.
QSL.
Roger, from Talavera, Nueva Ecija. Hindi ko lang nakuha yung kanyang handle. Pakikuha na nga po, Kuya Robert, pati yung kanyang club.
Roger, one more time, yung Talavera, yung handle and the club affiliation, over. Kajun, sa DX3 VM ka, John. Okay, clear copy na. Thank you very much, John 73 dyan. So, back to DX3 PM. And the handle is John, over.
Okay, thank you, Kuya Robert, for the QSP and acknowledging the station of Delta Whiskey 3, Lima Delta Romeo. Si Kuya Junjun of Talavera, Nueva Ecija. Oh, I think first QSO. From the group Delta X-Ray 3 Echo Victor Mike, Scan International. Thank you Kuya Junjun for joining our morning net call. 73. Assalamualaikum. Any more?
For G1 Charlie Alpha Zulu daw yaya.
Okay, thank you Robert. For G1 Charlie Alpha Zulu. Oh, mukhang... Go ahead po. This is for G1 Zulu Zulu Victor.
Same po. Ito yaya. Good morning po. X1 ERT.
Yung for G1 Charlie Alpha Zulu, si Kuya JR ba yun? Tapos na ba?
QSL. Si JR nga. Ng Montalban. JR, bawa sa may echo. Masyadong nagdodoble o nagpapatong.
Alright, acknowledging the station of for G1 Charlie Alpha Zulu, si Kuya JR of Montalban, Rizal. From the group Delta X-Ray 1 Echo Victor Mike. Ayun, any more station? Thank you. Sipag, walang kupas. Any station who wish to join the net, make your call now. This is for G1 Zulu Zulu Victor. Yung ating QRM, pakilakasan mo ng konti yung transmission at nasasapawan ka lang eh. Sayang lang yung pagod mo dyan. Ayun, third call for Hotel 1 Bravo India Papa. Kuya Ambet, go ahead. This is for G1 Zulu Zulu Victor. Any traffic?
Teka po, gano'n na. Dito ako, tingnan ko na. Taro. Dito ako, tinatawag ko na. Nagko-connect na. Tapos na.
Ano yung kanyang traffic at pangatlong tawag niya na yan eh.
Matraffic daw. Nakapag daw siya kanina.
Roger, Anyway, acknowledging the station of 4 Hotel 1 Bravo India Papa on his third call, si Kuya Ambet of Pasig City. Ayun, medyo matraffic talaga Kuya Ambet. Dala-dalawa yung ating kaibigan eh. Any more, thank you for joining the net. Any more? Yung ating QRM, konting power pa, ang hina eh. Any station who wish to join the net, make your call now. This is for G1 Zulu Zulu Victor.
Salipat na tatawapik ko na.
Si for G1 Zulu Yankee X-Ray ba yun? Si Kuya Pat? Sige, pakipull out nga po si Kuya Pat. At wala, negative copy sa side ko. Mukhang nag-ano yung ating QRM at sumusunod sa aking instruction na lumalakas yung kanyang power. Okay, yung station ni Kuya Pat, pakipull out nga po.
Tapos na ito, Yaya.
Ayun, thank you Kuya Miller for the relay. Acknowledging the station of 4 Golf 1 Zulu Yankee X-Ray, si Kuya Pat. Sensya na Kuya Pat at hindi kita makopya. That was Kuya Pat of Teresa Rizal. 73 and Assalamualaikum. Any more station?
BYL Karina, Charlie November Delta.
Negative copy on my side. Paki-pull out na nga po, Kuya Robert.
Okay, one more time. The young lady breaker while back, yung Charlie November Delta Press ang suffix, so...
So, good morning po. This is the station of 4L1 Charlie.
For G1 ba? For G1 Charlie November Delta. For Italy 1. For Italy 1, sorry. Okay, so back to for I1 Charlie November Delta from General Trias, Cavite.
Ayan, thank you Kuya Miller and Kuya Robert for the relay. Acknowledging the station of 4G1 Charlie November Delta. I think si Kuya Jowan yan of General Trias, Cavite. From the group Delta X-Ray 1 Echo Victor Mike. Thank you Ate Jowan pala, YN. Thank you for joining the net, 73. Anymore? Okay, any more station who wish to join the net, make your call now. This is for G1 Zulu Zulu Victor. On the control for DX1 ART's net. Yung QRM natin, accept yung challenge ko. Lakasan mo. Napakahina eh. Pakiulit Kuya Gary. Okay, thank you Kuya Gary for the relay. Acknowledging the station of 4 Golf 1 Delta Pax Tango, si Kuya Mark of Makati City. Thank you for joining the net, 73. Anymore?
Yan, 6 HPM.
Okay na Kuya Gary, kopya ko sa N6HPX stroke DU1. Kuya Larry, this is for G1 Zulu Zulu Victor. Go ahead. Okay, acknowledging the station of November 6 HPX stroke DU1, Kuya Larry of Imus, Cavite. Ayun, sasabayan lang siya ng QRM. Thank you for joining our morning net call, Kuya Larry. 73, Assalamualaikum. Any more? Okay, CQ. Any station who wish to join our morning net call, make your call now. This is for G1 Zulu Zulu Victor for DX1 ART's net. Okay, mukhang wala na. Time check, it's 6:30 Alpha Mike. Any station who wish to join the net, make your call now. This is my last call. Make your call now. Okay, wala na bang hahabol? This is my last and final call. Make your call now for G1 Zulu Zulu Victor. Before we close, go ahead. Okay, kopya na po for India 1, Bravo, November, Charlie. Kuya Bong, go ahead. This is for G1, Zulu, Victor.
Good morning, Yaka. Good morning, Coach Station. For I1, Bravo, November, Charlie, checking in, supporting the morning net. 73, mabuhay. Assalamualaikum.
Alright, walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. That was Kuya Bong of Muntinlupa City from the group Delta X-Ray 1, Papa Romeo Sierra. Station call sign for India 1, Bravo November Charlie. Thank you for joining our morning net call. Okay, last call, make your call now. Last and final call, make your call now. Okay, hearing none, let us now proceed to close. Thank you all 42 stations that joined our today's morning net call. And thank you also to all the QSP stations, the station of Delta Whiskey 1 Zulu Yankee, our club president, stationed in Antipolo City. Also the station of for India 1 Alpha Tango Sierra, our club secretary, stationed in Muntinlupa City. Also acknowledging the QSP station of Delta Whiskey 1 November Sierra X-Ray, si Kuya Robert of Dasmariñas, Cavite. Thank you, Kuya Robert. Also the station from Marikina, the station of 4 Golf 1 Alpha Zulu Whiskey, Kuya Gary, one of our net control, Tuesday edition. And also the station from Cainta Rizal of Kuya Miller, si 4 Golf 1 Zulu Victor. Thank you all QSP stations, thank you for your support. Hope to catch you all on air again in the next edition of the net. This has been your net control this morning for G1 Zulu Victor for DX1 ART saying Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Ang ibig pong sabihin niyan ay ako'y sumasaksi na walang ibang Diyos kundi si Allah at si Muhammad ay kanyang propeta at huling sugo. Again, may peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah be with you all. Happy Independence Day once again, 73. The time is 6:33 Alpha Mike. Alhamdulillah, the net call is closed.